Welcome to Subway. What can I make for you today? Hi, how can I help you?
Two 6-inch tuna on the Italian bread, one with olives and jalapenos. And
You want what?
Repeat. Two 6-inch tuna on the Italian bread with one with olives and jalapenos.
You want an Italian?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Yeah, both. Make my thing. And then here comes the guy. Like, she goes, I love your shoes.
Oh.
And then I get my thing. And she goes, you sure you don't want any chips with that? Like the girl. And I grabbed the chips. She's like pure pressuring me into getting chips. I was like, here. She goes, those ones aren't good. It's $11.21.
It's $11.21. Bye. I deal with the heavy breathing guy now.
Yes, and he's so scary. And I was like, so I walked out. I wanted a cookie, but I never got one because I was so scared because the girl was pure pressuring me into getting chips. So I had to walk out with Lay's chips. They're from my mom. She didn't want Lay's chips.
Oh, no.
Well, yeah, that was my Subway experience. One of the worst experiences I've ever had. And literally Yelp being downloaded just for that one Subway.
Do you want this sandwich instead?
You know, I would bite this, but like...
That's...